Here with a greeting to Igor, because I'm knowing he's loving BMW cars, 7 Series, most likely a 730. Yep, 730i, an E32. Here's another E32. And 735i in this case. So let's try to get the rear end. Hard to film. A little bit easier on this way. And here I'm guessing that this is a Mini Marcos. Stands there, Mountain Motor Products. Yeah, I'm thinking that this is the Mini Marcos, but I could be wrong. Anyway, very stunning and a very exotic car for sure. One of the rare survivors, because, well, most of them did move to Africa. Here once again the stunning Ford Escort Mark II. And here, something that you all don't get to see this often anymore. Seat Ibiza. Special. Also very nice. The engine was also tuned up by Porsche, or optimized by Porsche. The first car they made when Volkswagen did acquire the company from Fiat. So the owner's just opening the hood for me, and he was just telling me this one has not the engine from Porsche, this is the engine from Fiat, from the Fiat Uno. So you also can see it, much smaller, 0.9 liter engine. So nice. Right. Here's an old Moto Guzzi. V7 special. Let's try and look. I can smell the gas. Or the petrol in this case. And here the other Opel Rekord L version, so it's the luxury version. I'm seeing a lot of Opels here. Opel Kadett GTE. So the Saturn Opel Kadett, also AC, third generation. Oh, amazing. I'm loving these. But hard to film the rear end here on this one, but what a beauty. Chevy Nova, second generation if I'm not mistaken. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just also going back this way. So you can see it's the Saturn. And here, Kadett C Coupe GT in the old trim, the pre-facelift. Lovely. So here also stunning car, Ford Capri 2, so it's the second generation. I really like these. These are looking very elegant. I mean, I can understand that there are more fans about the first generation and the third generation. But, I mean, this was also still cool, and nowadays, of course, more rare than the third generation or maybe even the first generation. Beautiful. And here, Opel Diplomat. It was just only changing the spot. Fiat 500 Cinquecento. Cute little car with a greeting to Guzzi Calle. Akko. Is it your car? Maybe not. but very similar. So Opel Ascona B, second generation. These wheels. I mean, these are looking kind of like the ones from ATS. Hey, there are ATS wheels with GM badge. So, so of course they are looking like it because they are. Very nice. And here, Opel Kadett B. Small engine, but yeah, the carburetor is looking a little bit bigger. Is it a double carburetor maybe? I have no idea because I'm not this much into the technique. Also a nice view to this Opel Rekord. And here as well. Beautiful cars. So here's my old military Jeep. I have no idea what type it is. It stands here. I hope you can see it here. It's an M151A2. M151A2. United States Army. The Watchers of the War. So this one was from the Berlin Wall. But here, well, hard to film the front end, but because all of the people are there. Opel Manta A. So the German Corvette, if you want to say so, because you're seeing here the Manta, the Stingray, German Stingray, and here once again the M155. Oh no, well, you can remember it perhaps better than I. M151A2. Oh well. So, and here Stingray, Opel Manta A, also a beauty. So, it's by the way the Bel Air that's rumbling behind me. And here, Audi 80 B1, the first generation. Now everyone is leaving. That's even a tiny one. Scale 1 to 87. A stunning car. And it even has still the old chrome trim. That's nice. Because I can remember in Bietigheim at the season end where I had my stupid accident with my shoulder. There was also one of these, but the chrome trim was no more at the rear end, sadly. And also the old center caps and so on. Amazing. Then the old door handle. The plastic part is always going broken on these. Absolutely amazing. Oh, and I've just seen something cool coming. So also a greeting to the so nice. The greeting to the also beautiful BMW M535i. Also a stunning car. Volkswagen Karmann Gia. One of the later ones, not the early ones. Sweet. I'm thinking a model from Yadming. I ordered one of these. No, Valley. Distance Valley. Interesting. I didn't know Valley also had this one. Amazing. There's also something very interesting. We have here a Volkswagen Beetle, a very old one. It's not a split window, but we are seeing, yeah. Yeah, and I am filming. No, that's correct. Because sometimes I'm saying we, but I'm only one person. So it's not a split window, and but this is a very old one. You can also see here the small tail light, which is only having a small red light. And here we have the winker, as we're saying here in Germany. So this indicator is just flipping up and then indicating. Wie an old Beetle.
Also er hat Versicherung profitiert. Und das, dass der Hinfahrer ist, das Auto angeschaut hat, der war 8 Stunden unterwegs, 4 Stunden hin, 4 Stunden zurück. Das ist in Amerika, ist das ein bisschen weiter. Aber für die auch alles ganz normal. Ja, direkt.
Also a beautiful car.
Wir haben direkt über die Plattform.
Oh, and here, by the way, is the Audi 80 with the missing chrome trim. Was just talking about that, and here it comes. Here's a Mercedes-Benz. I do believe it's a 170, but don't ask me which version. If you want to know it, I will find it out. I'm thinking it's not the V. The V had, if I'm remembering right, a horizontal thingy and not these kind of air vents, but I can be wrong. So maybe this is the, or was it the S or V? I have no idea, I cannot remember. But if you want to know it for sure, drop in the comments, ask me, and I will find it out for you. So, here once again, the Beetle, very cool with the old cheese.